This is the Design to Parts Show, the largest contract manufacturing show in the area. And if you need plastic parts, come by our booth and see C&K Plastics. We are in booth 107 and we can talk about solving some of your plastic part issues live at the show.
This is the Design to Parts Show, the region's largest sourcing event, and you are invited with free admission if you register right now.
We do parts this size all the way up to 14 feet. We do 48 inches deep. We do vacuum forming, we do pressure forming, and we do twin sheet forming. But on top of that, we do assembly, we do fabrication, we do fulfillment. Are you struggling to turn your design into a manufacturable product? C&K can help. We've got designers, we've got engineers. We're very innovative. In my opinion, this is better than injection molding because the tooling is much less expensive. So if you're looking for any of these processes or you think you might be looking for a plastic process, C&K may be your answer.